We are now starting the winter tests of the digital automatic couplers in Sweden. The first couplers are already mounted by Favely WebTech, and we are expecting Voigt, Dellner and CAF to do the same thing in the upcoming weeks. Mr. Anders Ekmark from Trafikverket, you are working with the tests here in Sweden, and I'd like to ask you some questions. My first question would be, why digital automatic couplers and what are the specific benefits?
Yes, for an infrastructure manager, it's one thing is to reduce the maintenance cost for the tracks, because an automatic coupler has better performance on the line. And another important thing is that it can reduce the accidents on shunting's performance and in shunting yards due to that the people don't have to stand in the way to when coupling and uncoupling. But first, the most important that I see is that the digital automatic couple is an enabler for with providing data and electricity to the wagon, and that in aspect gives an opportunity to introduce EP brakes with better performance for the braking, for instance, and you can also start with communication activities between the wagon and the infrastructure, between the wagon and the wagon owner and things like that in real time.
Okay, thank you. Next question will be, what will this test be like?
Well, we are doing the test in cooperation with Germany, Austria and Switzerland, who are doing tests at their homes, their home countries, and we are concentrating our test on the winter testing.
Okay.
So we are taking the wagons. We have 4 suppliers, we have 3 different types of couplers, and we have 12 wagons provided by Green Cargo, and we are going to mount the couplers, take them up to the north of Sweden, and then we are going to hope for harsh conditions, much snow, cold, windy, and so we can really test the couple in these harsh conditions.
Interesting, as bad condition as possible then.
Yes.
All right. Why exactly is Trafikverket doing this test?
Well, Trafikverket is part of Shift to Rail, who is the first European rail initiative, and we are seeking to the Shift to Rail is seeking to focus the research of rail into driving the innovations up to a higher readiness level, and to be introduced to the market. So now we are in the end of Shift to Rail, and now it's time to do the demonstration of the innovations that we have taken forward, and one of them is the digital automatic couples.
Okay, thank you. One final question then. Do you have any specific expectations on this demo testing?
Well, we hope the test will show and help to decide on which couple type we will use in the Europe, and also that we can help with deciding on how to couple the air pipes and how to couple the electricity and the data on the wagon.
Well, thank you so much.